Hi, this is Lothar with Asymmetric Product Development. Right now we're shooting a Savage Mark II 22 long rifle. We're using Ely Sport standard velocity ammunition. We're going to try it with the 22 rimfire can. Going to fire 5 rounds. Let's see what it sounds like. Now we're going to fire it unsuppressed. We're out here at night to show you what the flash signature is with and without a suppressor. We're going to try it first with a suppressor. That's with a suppressor. Without a suppressor.